back to CS Lurb's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're going to be making a really great noodle dish for summer. We are making a chilled cilantro and jalapeno soba noodle salad. It is spicy, it's a little bit salty, a little bit sour, and enough to really cool it down during these hot summer days. Let's get started. So this is finished product. So it's spicy, it's tangy, it's savory, and a little bit of sweet and a little bit of heat. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below, and we'll catch you guys in for another episode next week. See ya!